if you want to know how to post to feed on Bluesky Social, just go ahead and click the pencil right here if you want to post, right? And then you're gonna be able to just type whatever you want, and you're gonna post it in Bluesky feeds, and your post will be published to other users and followers and on Bluesky Social. But if you want to generate a feed on Bluesky Social, you could just go ahead and use a Skyline. We explained how you can log in and basically create your own password, and basically click the screwdriver from here at the top left in the left hand, and then just type right here. Let's have an example in the regex cat or dog, right? And click feed builder, right? And then click feed preview, and you're gonna be able right here to see a dog highlighted in the feed page. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.